It all started with a notebook, the magazine, the whole look. Waiting up for Devin, yelling, what the fuck's the hold up? I was so stuck, everything was low drunk. Shit, even my flow sucked. I was so far from everything I said that I would achieve. I guess that I was just a puppet hanging under your sleeve. And maybe hell is not a place you can be. It's just the burning in your chest every time that you breathe. And maybe honesty is physically real. Maybe truth is only truth when it's truth that you feel. Spit panic button ringing across the parking lot where the government makes you pay the loss of the innocently raped, of the racially caked, for the totally enslaved by the psychological game, to the man that runs the game and decides if rules can change, and for the change that is never made. What up to everyone I hate, for the jealousy we crave, to the feuds that will take quietly to the grave. I wish you all a safe trip, let us all find our spaceship. And if you think of me, just say this.
When the broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer, let it be.
On to the next stage, exit stage left, right. It seems that we proceed through the soul to the flow. I get this off my chest, yo. I progress, it was amazing. Basics online, but we're forever changing. The hardest in the world, you see the art in the heart, yo. It was the music that brought us together, like everything else. It keep me time to part, but I will do my part to keep the soul living, 'cause the songs is still within my heart forever. And let the song guide me to here or wherever I might be. And like me, my song is with another. Got the sound of music running through my veins, down to the toes, up to the brains. Brain overflows and I'm back again. But I got the rhythm that'll keep my sight true. So many lose the rhythm and they fake how true. Light blue, dark green, eyes red.
For though they may be parted, there is still a chance